Meaning of gelatin.
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 Gelatin. Gelatin refers to a translucent, colorless, flavorless protein substance derived from collagen, which is typically obtained from the bones and connective tissues of animals. It is commonly used as a gelling agent in various food products such as gummy candies, marshmallows, and desserts. Gelatin is also used in medical applications, such as in the production of capsules and as a plasma substitute. Additionally, it has been used in photography as a binder for light-sensitive emulsions. Overall, gelatin is a versatile substance that has a range of applications in various industries.